Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use proper function in Excel. So let's start. Open your Excel and here you can see the proper function capitalize the first letter of each word in the text stream and converts all other letters to lowercase. So let's start. So here you can see I have some example. To first select the cell, use the is equal to and use here the proper function. Okay, select the proper function, then select the text, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the first letter of each word in the capitalized and other letters is lowercase. Same as here, I is equal to use the proper function and select the text and enter. Here you can see same as for here, proper function, then select the text, bracket closed and enter. So here you can see capitalize the first letter of each word in the text stream and converts all other letters to lowercase. So that's it, and here you see the formatting names, title and address into the neat style. You can use the proper function. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.